Are you looking for a way to refresh your scalp and restore its natural balance? Whether it's from environmental pollutants, product buildup, or everyday stress, your scalp deserves a detox. Introducing our once-weekly detoxifying scalp treatment. A plant-based solution that soothes irritation, cleanses deeply, and restores vitality to your scalp. This powerful treatment features 3 key ingredients. First, lemon peel oil. Known for its ability to combat bacteria and balance scalp oils, lemon peel oil naturally cleanses without stripping your scalp of essential moisture. Next, we have Camellia Sinensis, or green tea. Rich in anti-inflammatory properties, this ingredient is key to soothing irritated or sensitive scalps. It works to calm redness and reduce inflammation, leaving your scalp feeling comfortable and refreshed. Finally, Ubiquinone, an anti-aging powerhouse. Not only does it provide deep moisturization to the scalp, but it also helps protect against the signs of aging, keeping your scalp healthy and nourished. Together, these quality ingredients make this treatment a must-have for anyone looking to detoxify, soothe, and restore their scalp. You'll notice less irritation, fewer odors, and a healthier, more balanced scalp, all without losing your scalp's natural oils. Our formula is gentle enough to use on all hair and scalp types, from oily to dry, sensitive to balanced. Just apply it once a week. Let the ingredients do their work and enjoy the soothing, detoxifying effects. With consistent use, our treatment reduces irritation, eliminates unwanted odors, and keeps your scalp feeling clean and fresh. Unlike harsh cleansers, it respects your skin's natural barrier, leaving you feeling refreshed without any stripping or over-drying. Give your scalp the love it deserves. Detoxify, refresh, and restore with our once-weekly treatment. Order yours today and experience the difference that plant-powered ingredients can make. Your scalp will thank you.